everyone, my name is Robert Weaver and I wanted to do my Quiz 2 review for you. I selected from the second attempt question number 14, which reads, which of the following could be an example of a general partnership? And we have four answers to select from, and I'll go through these individually and then tell you which answer that was the correct one. So the first one is Awesome Air Shows, which is owned by Jim Jackson and financed by an inheritance from Jim's late father. This is definitely an example in right off as a sole proprietorship because it's one single owner. He's bringing in his own money to finance and to start the company. And it does a question, or the answer doesn't give us any idea that he's going to be bringing in any other people to help finance the business or to manage the business. So this would not be an example of a general partnership, which generally is two people, and they co-manage the business and also both invest in the business. It appears with this answer that Jim himself is going to be financing the startup of the Awesome Air Shows by himself as an individual. The second answer that we have here is S&S Lemonade Stand, a summer fundraising enterprise run by Miss Lacey's fourth grade class to raise money for band instruments. Well, from the textbook, we know that a business that is not for profit can't be a general partnership. Additionally, we know that we have a group of minors, since it is a fourth grade class, that wouldn't be able to enter into a business or contract agreement with anybody. That would have to be done basically, from my understanding, would be by their parents. And this is to raise money for band instruments. So they're not running a for-profit lemonade stand. And Miss Lacey obviously is the one investing potentially the money, or the money could be coming from the school for the fundraiser. So this would not be an example of a general partnership. The third answer that we have here, Bertha's Bakery Shop, a local pastry shop equally owned by Kroger and Fresh Market. Even though Kroger and Fresh Market are both corporate entities, they can come together in a partnership to run a separate business. Happens all the time in the business world. And it appears from the answer that Kroger and Fresh Market, would be equally investing money into the operation, and also both equally managing the bakery shop as well. So this is definitely an example of a general partnership. The fourth answer that we have, the Neighborhood Food Pantry, a 501c3 organization owned by Tim Hawthorne and run by his wife Tanya. We know from the textbook that a general partnership has to be two owners, which this answer does fit that criteria, but the general partnership has to be for profit. It does say in there that nonprofit organizations cannot be a partnership. In the textbook is what I'm referring to, and the definition of a general partnership. So automatically we know a 501c3 is a organization that is specifically structured as a nonprofit organization. So Neighborhood Food and Pantry would not be the answer that I would be looking for in this answer. So what I selected for my answer to this question was Bertha's Bakery. So that's my quiz review. I hope everybody enjoyed it, and I look forward to looking at everybody else's quiz reviews and giving some feedback, and maybe getting some feedback from you all. So, okay. Well, take care.